Hey everybody, I just wanted to thank all of you for tuning into this channel because this channel has been on YouTube now for 5 years. That's right, my life has been dramatically transformed by YouTube. So I want to thank a bunch of you for contributing, especially Obi and Carlos and Matt and Rod. Remember when my buddy Rod started sending me these like cards in the mail because he wanted a W109. It was the funniest thing. And you know, I think there are a lot of really great subscribers. You know, I really want to take my hat off to my buddy Obi, who's actually on the Corona board right now in San Antonio, and he's actually going to hospitals and looking at the situation, risking his life. So, you know, I just want to say thanks, Obi, for your public service. You're doing the work of God here. And he's doing it in style with a 6.3 and a 560 SEC. So maybe one day they'll make a movie about him or something, you know. So many other great people. My buddy Dimitri, who's restoring a 300 ad an hour, sort of, kind of. My friend Greg Long. Hey, Greg. Greg is, you know, Greg is one of those people that goes out and makes his dream a reality instead of saying, oh, I wish I had, you know, the specific Mercedes I own. He's actually like sought them out and found the ones he wanted, and I can't help but admire him for that. And Maria, who works on her own cars, I think that's really important. You know, you don't have to be a dude to fix your own Mercedes. You know, and I think it's just great. And you know, for all of you that have helped make this channel special, I just wanted tell all of you that I really appreciate it. I'm always here to help you guys. I made this channel for you, the Classic Mercedes owner, because MBCA wasn't stepping up to the plate, because Mercedes Source was charging people for information that I think should be free, because I'm tired of seeing people get taken advantage of by eBay part sellers selling garbage. Because I feel all of you deserve access to literature about these cars. And because I want all of you to have the best classic Mercedes experience possible. You know, just like I've been able to give some of my customers. So I want all of you to know that I just greatly appreciate you and really like you guys. I mean, some of you have become great friends. You know, I think about my buddy Jesse. Jesse lives in Fresno. He has an 83 300D. I get to talk to Jesse, you know, a few times a month. I love talking to him. My friend Matt Strauss up in Vermont, who bought a 300 ad an hour off of Craigslist several years ago. My friend Bill Greener, who just showed up at the shop one day and became one of my closest friends. I mean, I don't understand how the world is still an amazing place, especially when you own one of these classic Mercedes. You feel like you're part of a brotherhood. So I really appreciate that. And for all of you who are diligently trying to make the MBCA a better place, like Jim Roberts and Drew Webb and Anne Marie and Andrew Opishka and Terry and Jason Burton, you know, I really appreciate all of you guys for your hard work. You know, we're going to keep this club up and running and everything. So, you know, if I forgot any of you, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to do that. This is just off the top of my head, but I really wanted to say that. The other thing that I really wanted to tell you on this short video was what, Thomas? Remind me. There was something else I was supposed to say.
We talked about the anniversary. That's about it. The announcement of the classic car.
Oh yeah. If you are a fan of our classics videos, we have the classics video coming out with the 300 SDL that many of you requested when I did the Facebook poll. So we have the most wonderful 87 300 SDL that has ever been through the shop on classics, and I'm going to talk about, you know, some of the stuff we did to make it a super awesome highway car and all of its improvements. So anyway, thank you guys. I love all of you. I really appreciate all of you. And Uwe Lehman, if you're watching this, you know, I'm waiting for you to finish my 600. Chop, chop. Take care, guys.
Okay.